Today we're going to show you how to set up your Opti-myst cassette for use with the refillable bottles. The cassette is set up to be used with the plumbing kit. To set it up for use with the water bottles, unscrew the plumb kit cap and remove the red C-clip. Remove the top cover assemblies of the cassette and prime each of the water reservoirs by filling with water to the lines shown inside the unit. Replace the top cover assemblies and ensure the two plumbing caps are securely attached to the top cover of the water reservoirs. The plastic bottles need to be refilled with water approximately every 8 hours of runtime. Then you attach the bottles like this. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about the Opti-myst Pro series.